This is weekly recap of trading week July 5th and 10th. 9 entry points was given out of 9 tickers. All trades were profitable. Potential profit could be $3,300 if every trade were executed $20,000 per position. So let's see at every trade. First ticker is Expedia, EXPD. There was a false breakout and huge resistance at 128.03. Let's open a 5-minute chart. On Tuesday, July 6th, after these multiple rejections week before, day started with a 5-minute candle and a false breakout. That's a clear sign that this is a reversal and we can expect huge move to the downside. So short position was opened immediately after this false breakout with a stop order, stop sell, and you see there was a sharp move, it's a dream move to the downside, more than $2 per share profits, and in this consolidation short position was closed. Next ticker is CRM. I said that there is a perfect formation for a breakout, but you see that there was a false breakout. This is 5-minute chart and this is Tuesday. I said that it's okay to buy after breakout and closing above this resistance because we already have a lot of energy. So long position was opened after this 5-minute candle. Then there was a pullback. That was okay because first of all I didn't want to take only $1 per share profits. I wanted more. And I was sure that we had so much energy that buyers would continue pushing price to the upside, and after price reached $252 and made the first red candle, I closed my long position. Next profitable trade was on Twitter stock, TWTR. There was beautiful consolidation, and in case of breakout we had a lot of energy to make a substantial push. Market reversed in the middle of the week, but on Tuesday there was enough energy to make a spike and I made some profits on that spike. This is 5-minute chart. This is Tuesday, and you see that after this consolidation on Friday, price broke this resistance 69.38 immediately, and long position was opened with stop buy orders above this resistance. And after this spike I kept holding my position because I believed that price could make more substantial move to the upsides because of accumulated energy. And after price made a move about $1.50, I closed my long position because a reversal was high probable and I just wanted to secure my profits. Next stock, TWOU. I didn't analyze it 1 week ago, but I analyzed it during the week. There was a movement on a 1-hour chart, breaking of this trend line. You see there was a beautiful triangle formation, symmetrical triangle, and price broke this top trend line to the upside, and on that day I traded a breakout. This is 5-minute chart, and you see that price action made a beautiful picture, and price closed on Friday 1 week ago as close to the trend line as possible, and on Tuesday there was most perfect price action. I like best of all because price made a small gap but then closed it, returned to the upside, making a false breakout on 5-minute candle, and that come back above the trend line is a perfect entry point to open a long position with a stop buy order. So long position was opened about here, and after these 2 huge 5-minute candles, long position was closed. Next trade was with the company OTLY, ticker OTLY. This is a daily chart, and I said that this is a V formation. If stock breaks this support zone, price would continue falling. Let's open 5-minute chart on Tuesday, June 6th. You see that 1 week ago there was beautiful, perfect consolidation just inside this support zone, but after this gap up, price closed the gap and closed under this support zone. This is a clear picture that price wants to go lower. So on this green candle with a spike, I shorted the stock as close to the level as possible to get a small stop loss, and after this substantial move to the downside and establishing this consolidation and making a move about $1, short position was closed. Next trade was executed on ticker GOCO. This is the same situation as on previous stock, because after this consolidation between $12.50 and $11, price returned to the support, making a reversal in the middle of the range, and this is the signal that sellers are strong. So let's open 5-minute chart and see our chart in details. So 1 week ago on Friday, price closed inside this range. You remember that I established it on an analysis video, and when price making a gap but closing it and on a strong red candle closes even under the support zone, this is also a short and strong signal. So position was opened immediately after this closing, because reversal is not probable in this situation. And after this move, not so big, but I didn't like to hold my position through pullbacks, reversals, etc., etc. So after making this only about 10-12 cents move, this position was closed with the profits. Next stock, Confluent, ticker CFLT, gave 2 entry profits for a short side and a long side. You see there is also a V-shaped formation on a daily chart, and then during the week we got a reversal to the upside. Let's open 5-minute chart. I said on my video analysis that I want to see a breakout of this triangle, of the support horizontal level or of this trend line. On June 6, price was trying to hold this support level 43.25, and after this small green candle that opened above the level, closed above the level, and even didn't touch this level, I decided to open my long position, because this is a signal for me for a direction. And after making this huge move about $1 on a strong green candles, of course this position was closed, because there is no any energy accumulated before to go higher. Move was quick and sharp, and of course I took my profits as quick as possible. Next day, on June 7th, price depicted a disability to break this level 43.25 from the downside, and price started moving lower and lower, and then price closed under next support level 42.31, and after establishing consolidation with these 2 candles under this level, I decided that this is a signal for a continuation, and short position was opened. And after this strong red candle, of course short position was closed, because after sharp moves usually I can expect sharp pullback. Next profitable trade, ticker PATH. This is a daily chart, and you see that there is a clear accumulation of energy. So buyers do not want to let price to go lower, but after this consolidation 2 weeks ago, price could make a substantial move to the downside, but it reversed and made a move to the downside, to the historical support zone. And after that, during the week, buyers returned price inside the range. So let's open a 5-minute chart. you see that on Friday 1 week ago there was a disability to break this resistance 67.79, and then price made a sharp move on Tuesday and closed under this another level 64.84. After this sharp move, price was trying to establish a consolidation under this level. So after these 3 candles of consolidation, I decided to open short position, but with a medium stop loss. So my entry point was about 64.75 and stop loss at 65.01. So stop loss was 1 cent above of the round number, and you see that was correct from the technical analysis perspective, because next candle had a long tail, but price touched $65. Then there was another candle with a long tail and price touched $65 again. So if I made a stop loss 10 cents, 20 cents or 25 cents, that wasn't correct. But because of my stop loss 1 cent above the round number, from technical perspective I was right. And after this second candle with a huge tail, price made a sharp 5-minute movement to the downside, and I decided to close position because there was a huge resistance between sellers and buyers and nobody could win, so I decided to take small profits to get out from this trade. And last one was Amazon, AMZN. Unfortunately, I missed this huge movement to the upside because I was not ready to the gap. So I didn't trade on Tuesday with this breakout and making $150 move during one day. But next day there was a 5-minute level, here it is, and on June 7th price action established some kind of a mirror, because there was a reversal from one side, and next day's price action established a reversal from the another side. That's important signal that level is correct and that entry point could be safe with a small stop loss. And after this red candle with a false breakout on a 5-minute chart, I opened my position with a stop loss. Of course, that was long position, and then several minutes candles consolidation was continue, but after that price action made 3 green candles strong move at more than $20, and when move was over I closed my long position with a small profits, but it's better than nothing. So another ticker were not executed because CRWD made a huge gap, and of course I didn't trade such a gap, and Moderna made completely another price action with a gap down, and ticker ONDS just continue falling and there was no entry point at all. That's a whole recap on last week, and my next video on Sunday I made a next stock analysis to trade for upcoming week.